Hey guys, it's Jay with Barrett Pressure Washing. It is a beautiful morning here in St. Petersburg, Florida. I am about to begin a paver wash, restoration, joint sand and seal project here in St. Petersburg. It is about 1,000 square feet. It's a lanai area, but we do have the front patio and a walkway to the street as well. So stick around, I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so here is the job. Lots of grass growing in through these pavers here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the old turbo nozzle and get in all these joints and get out all the old sand, get all these weeds out from the pavers. Okay, well there's the first task done. We get all the weeds out, we get all the junk from in between the pavers looking better already. Now it's time for the first phase of the triple wash. Here we go. Alright, so I did the sanding and we are ready to blow this off, clean it up real good, and get some sealer on it.
Want the best? Call Barrett Pressure Washing 888-65